I'm Ankita and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys new here then welcome to my channel. So guys, finally I got Nykaa Beauty PR. I was waiting for this and finally I got this. Finally. Guys, as you know that Nykaa recently launched this Insta Blur Color Corrector sticks and they have sent me this PR kit. Guys, this is not any sponsored video. They have sent me this entire range just to try it out, and here I'll share my honest opinion. So yeah, let's get started. So guys, this PR kit is sent by Nykaa Beauty. They have total 5 color correcting shades and each shade formulated to blur skin imperfections, and it also have some skincare properties like it provide moisture and improve skin dryness. Each stick comes in this kind of cardboard packaging. Here they have mentioned the shade, which make easy to identify the color inside without opening the product. They have also mentioned the action of the stick on that outer packaging, and that make it easy to understand what the stick is actually used for. They have also mentioned the ingredient list here, and the formula is vegan, cruelty free, SLS free and paraben free. The price of the product is $4.99 and you're gonna get 3.5 grams of product. That is how the stick looks like. It is exactly looks like a Nykaa pen stick lipstick. The cap is a color coated cap, and on the bottom of the product they have also mentioned the shade. Well, now just quickly go through what they claims. Well, each shade is designed to blur skin's concern of your face. Formula evens out skin tones and minimize fine lines. High spread ability and easy blendability. Unique nutrition bullet running through the center. So guys, when you open it, you're gonna get that kind of bullet here. I hope you can see the nutrition bullet on the center. It reminds me the L18 bullet lipstick. They also claims that the bullet is enriched with a camellia flower extract, which boosts skin hydration and reduces the appearances of fine lines. The bullet is also enriched with a pomegranate seed extract, which improves skin dryness, and it's a rich source of vitamin C. Well guys, they have total 5 color corrector shades, and at first I'm gonna show you all the shades and then gonna demonstrate the product on my face. So guys, now we are in application part, and I'm not gonna apply all the sticks on my face because I really don't need everything, but I'll show you some demo. So yeah, let's start with my under eyes. And guys, I don't have any moisturizer or any primer on my face because I want to feel the texture and the formula. So for my under eyes I use this orange stick, and yeah, let's see. Wow, So guys, it has very intense color payoff. You just need a single stroke and you're gonna get intense extreme color. And now I'm gonna blend it out with my fingers. It blends smoothly and the texture is very smooth. So guys, the formula is wetless formula and it doesn't feel heavy under my eyes. The stick glides very smoothly and the product blends out well, and I think this is a good property of any base makeup. It feels hydrating on my skin, but if you have dry skin, you have to apply moisturizer before applying these sticks. Now I'm gonna apply this Nykaa Skin Genius foundation just to cover up this area. This is one of my favorite foundation and this shade is perfect for me. I'm in the shade 02 Almond Beige, and I love this foundation. I use it as a foundation as well as a concealer. So that's the final come out. I'm very happy how it looks like, and I can't see any dark circles and it doesn't feel heavy as well, and I hope you can see the difference. And guys, for this one I'm gonna use this pitch corrector. Actually, I just want to see how this pitch one works. So guys, in case of this pitch corrector, I need to apply a little more product to cover up my dark circles. The formula and the texture is exactly same as the orange one. It also glides very smoothly and blends very well, and that is the final come out. And guys, both the orange corrector and the pitch corrector works well for me. So now I'm gonna hide my acne and pigmentations. I have some acne over here, and I'll show you the close-up. Here you can see I have fresh acne and the redness over here. So I'm gonna apply that green corrector on that area and blend it out. Green color corrector is used for blur out acne and redness. But guys, as you can see, my acne is still pop in, but it's able to hide the redness. So I'm just gonna apply the lavender stick on that acne as a dot and blend it out. And must say guys, this green and lavender stick works well together, but still this big acne is visible. And now I'm gonna apply this lavender stick on this portion of my nose. Here I have some pigmentation. Lavender color corrector can hide paleness as well as pigmentation and dark spots. That's why I'm gonna apply this lavender stick on this portion of my face where I have some pigmentation, and now I'm gonna apply foundation all over on my face. So that is the final look, and I can't see any imperfection. And guys, that green color corrector can't hide my acne, but it definitely hide the redness. And if we talk about the lavender one, well, I don't have too much pigmentation, but it can hide 80% of my pigmentation, but it can't hide that big acne. But after applying this sheer coverage foundation, everything was just vanished. If your foundation set well and your problematic areas look good, then what else do you want, right? Now you guys decide if you want to buy it or not. I think 499 rupees is a quite decent price for this product. So that's all for the video, and that is my honest review, and I hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.